Okay. James got Easter surprise delivered. Let's open and see what you got.
Get baked.
From Get Baked. Yeah, Get Baked. Yeah.
So there's all those different things you can. Oh yeah.
Berta. Company called Berta. I think they are in London. I'm not quite sure.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Berta. Handcrafted single original. Wow, you got another box. What is in there?
Chocolate brownie.
Yay! Chocolate cake. Do you know what is it? This is 24 layer cake from Matilda film. You remember Matilda film? When teacher made the fat boy to eat huge cake in front of whole school. Take it out. So this is 24 layer cake with chocolate cake. It's like ganache with huge, amazing. I paid £20 for this slice. 24 layer cake. It looks nice. Wow.
24 quid, that?
Yeah. This is a whole all world, you know, like was Dubai chocolate and all that. So now is this one is on a trend. So everyone going in London to see.
Matilda.
Yes, Matilda. This 24 layer cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then ganache. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's make 24. Wow. It's nice. It's from company Berta. Everyone should try.
What bit do you want? The top bit with all the chocolate?
Well, that boy had to eat like holding an eating piece like that, so you should be doing like that. I have just 2 layers. We need should be really chocolatey and nice. Try it. Very nice.
Yeah, I saw it.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from so it's from a film, Matilda. When that film was? 1996. I've not seen that film. So everyone was trying, and I only wanted to buy, and I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna try to make myself. So only the reason I bought.
Well, that'd be better because you wouldn't have all the E numbers and crap in it.
Yeah. Oh, very nice. Oh my god. Beautiful. Lava. So it's from Berta. Used to be cheaper years ago. Like one year ago. 1 year ago, you had to go online and hunt for it. Like 10 o'clock they used to release. And like if you wanna click and buy 10 o'clock, it was gone already. Was such an addition just to get the slice.
I never heard of it.
No, I think you have to be in this following bake world, you know, like into it. So you have to, you know, if you want to do this, make and sell it, you have to follow the world, what they need, and you know what is on a go. How's it? Go. You like this Bruce boy checking his face. You would never had problem to eat that cake if teacher made you, would you?
No.
Literally, he was like made to eat in front of us all school. I expected actually a bit taller to be, but he's quite impressive, I
I
think.
never done what the teachers said anyway.
No. What did they make you to do? Definitely.
I wasn't allowed in the lessons sometimes.
Have you seen that film? I haven't. Apparently, that was in London theater as well, and there is a book and stuff. I think.
Yeah, some years old.
I think that's what I wanna watch weekend.
Are you eating that back?
Just leave it. Don't be.
I'm not putting it away.
Yeah, just leave it. I
I'm
need to
gonna throw it,
do
won't I?
pictures and videos.
Christ almighty.